Hello, guys. This is Yasser once again, June 24th, 2017, with Momo Trades and Trade Alike. Just going to go over the weekly charts and some of the open positions we have, some other possible plays that I'm looking at. Let's start off with our favorite, or not so favorite, depending on how you're trading it. S&P. Okay, so yeah, so far it's holding that trend line that we have been drawing since the past week now. Uh, so it held it pretty nicely as we talked about in our previous videos as well. It held this level. You saw all that congestion here throughout the day, today and yesterday. And if this holds true, I'm anticipating something like this going into next week. Choppy, sideways, slightly, upwards ascending, kind of, price movement. So still in a long mode, bullish mode, so to speak, but very selective, not broad based. Because if you look at QQQ, which is technology, it you can't really even read this chart properly. Don't even know what's going on. So it's just kind of yeah, it just means that you have to be careful going into individual names. Okay, so let's take a look at the CARO. This is the one we opened today. Um, Oh my God, look at this huge volume bar here. Looks like buyers came in late towards the end of the day to take it back above $31. It held this 50-day moving average and looks like it closed right around its 20-day moving average. So next week could be nice where this resistance turn support starts, making a base and takes it back towards the 33 area. So look at that. Let's look at a weekly chart for that. Uh, Looks nice. Good volume here. Yes, a red bar in a weekly time frame, but the the shorter time frames look pretty good so far. I'll just take a look at the 10-minute one. Ooh, long volume bar here. Okay, all good there. Let's look at IVC. Still holding that one. Uh, a lot of volume here. I'm just waiting for it to go towards $13 here, and then just kind of start unloading it. From chart perspective, from technical perspective, it's not really a good play anymore. But I just want to minimize my loss here. Okay. Oh, all right. I think there's another one we have open. VFC. This one is looks very much primed to start its move towards the upside next week. Look at this nice hammer looking candle on a weekly time frame. As we spoke, these rising moving averages have been acting as a support, which they did, and looks nice that this neckline will be broken soon. If not next week, but in the next couple of weeks, definitely. The volume pickup is already there, so that's good. That's good. Uh, let's see. What else do we have open currently? Uh, HMHC. Not sure if I have it open, but no, JetBlue. Yeah, JetBlue is the one that I have open. So yeah, inverse head and shoulders neckline is right here, 23 level. Kind of flirting with it. Got sold off and sitting right around its rising moving averages now. So, uh, just kind of needs patience. Okay, some more plays. Grub, we closed it a little early, whatever you want to call it, but it looks nice. At least what gives me confidence is that the thought process that goes behind making these decisions is working. So that's good. That's good. This one, ALK. I want to get into this one. High price stock, so just trying to make some room for to buy this one. Look at this nice volume pickup right here, and this once this breaks this, it's easy right towards 96. So really looking promising here. All right, BEN, not sure if I'm trying to do something with it. Ascending triangle here, but just waiting for a better opportunity to enter into this one. HMHC. I got into this one as well. $13.30. I believe it got around 13, I don't know, 80 or 13.90, something like that. Good volume here. Looks like it's going to hold this moving average, 20-day moving average. Let's look at the weekly chart for this one. Looks nice, yeah. It's kind of a consolidation zone here. Nice volume. Uh, Looks good. Yeah, nothing to stop it. So no bullish, no bearish candles here. So looks fine. XON. I did not get into this one. I wanted to right about here, but this one moved up fast, and this is my target here, 26. So if you are in it, that's good. If not, it's you should not get into it now unless it starts giving you a little bull flag here, and then if it gets around 24.50, we can get back into this one and trade it all the way up to 26. Okay. SCSS did not do much with it, left it, but nice bullish flag going back up. UPS, I know somebody asked me for this one, and I showed that this has been the range for the past few months, and it broke that range, and now I think it will go back towards 115 here soon. So really nice move, good volume bar today, so looks nice. Yeah. CHTR, not sure why I have it saved here. Cup and handle, yeah, not really convincing. So yeah, we'll just leave it out for right now, but we can actually delete this one. I don't need this in my list. It did not really look that good. Let's look at one more before we leave that I have saved and could be a good. Let's look at transports actually. This is the one that I always like to kind of take a look at, as Dow theory says that transportation stocks should kind of do good with the economy. So if they're doing good, that means stock market is kind of performing well, and this is a good candle to close the week with. So uh, nothing wrong with it. Let's look at the daily chart for this one and see if it's looking any different. So yeah, still kind of range bound and good volume here above the 20-day moving average. Yeah, sideways action overall, but not bad. So yeah, that was it. We'll see you next week. And if you need to get the alerts, please download the Trader Like app, or you can always follow me on the Twitter, or go to the site momotrades.com. That's where I post all my trades as well that I do through this platform. So you can follow me there, or download the Trader Like app on your iPhone or your Android based phone. Or actually, if you go to Twitter, uh, uh, I have a Trader Like account here as well, and I do post updates to different stocks there on a regular basis. So if I go look at the latest tweets, you can see kind of what I talked about here in the video. Majority of it is already there, and I post it throughout the day, throughout the week. Uh, and you can set up notifications so you get that right through your phone uh, whenever the post is updated. Okay, thank you guys, and have a wonderful weekend.